This program encompassed a journey through Hamilton to learn how everything is made here and how it is built here and why to be proud of here.
And when we were approached to work with Darana Hybrid to offer a summer manufacturing camp for our youth, we thought that was an incredible idea. This summer manufacturing camp, Hamilton Built, Hamilton Proud, saw our youth and teens go all over the city of Hamilton to learn about resources that are right in their backyard.
But what they're going to understand and what they're going to remember is that there's opportunity here. They have friends that they can call. They know they can trust the Boys and Girls Club mentorship to be able to help direct them to these opportunities. So when they turn 14, 15, 16, there's going to be good paying jobs for them where they can actually make a true salary at a very young age, and the educational opportunities are going to be right there for them too.
With the growth of the city, making sure that it's growth for everyone is at the core of this, right? So we want our youth and teens to grow up in Hamilton, learn, be connected, find out what trades are available, understand that there are high-paying jobs where they can make a great wage right here, but it starts with connection to the city and connection to the resources that are available to them right in their own backyard. The project from the program, which is behind me, our Boys and Girls Club hands logo that our youth and teens worked on all summer, it's incredible. This project really represents what's next, right? The city of Hamilton is in a renaissance and growth, and Boys and Girls Clubs of Hamilton has to grow with them. There are families moving here every single day. We invite all of our community partners, our businesses, volunteers, people from the community to come in and contribute to Boys and Girls Clubs, your passion. What are you best at? And that's really what that sign means to me. It's not just where we've been as an organization, but where we're going as an organization and as a city as well.